Are you looking to save your favorite Pinterest videos for offline viewing? In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to download Pinterest videos. First, open the Pinterest mobile app on your device. Find the video you want to download. Once you've selected a video, open it until it's in full screen mode. Next, tap on the three dots and then tap on Copy Link. Now, exit the Pinterest app and open your preferred browser. In the search bar, type Pinterest Video Downloader and open any website that provides this service. Once the downloader website loads, paste the link you copied from Pinterest into the provided field and tap Download. Scroll down a little, and you'll see a Force Download button. Tap it, and your video will start downloading to your photo gallery. And there you have it. Now you know how to download Pinterest videos directly to your device for offline viewing.